Do you want to find out how to pay zero tax? Of course you do. So what exactly is Section 12J? It's an exciting SARS initiative that rewards normal South African taxpayers like you and me for investing in the SME sector of the South African economy and thereby creating jobs and economic growth. It's an investment fund registered with SARS and the FSB, regulated by Section 12J of the Income Tax Act. So how does it work? In order to incentivize investment, SARS offers the taxpayer a 100% tax write-off for investments into a Section 12J company, the vehicle used to pool investor funds and invest in the SME sector. Yes, you heard right, a 100% tax write-off. That means that an investor can realize up to 45% in immediate returns upon investment through tax savings. In addition, the investor will earn a targeted 8% per annum in dividends and also potential capital growth on their investment. Let's look at this example. Two taxpayers, A and B, each have 1 million rand in taxable income and fall in the 45% tax bracket. A invests the 1 million rand in a Section 12J fund and gets a 1 million rand tax deduction, which means he will pay no tax. B doesn't invest in a Section 12J fund, gets no tax deduction, and therefore has to pay 450,000 rand in tax. Who do you think is the savvier investor? So, to summarize, by investing into a Section 12J fund, you can save tax, earn dividends, earn capital growth. Who can make use of this incentive? Any South African taxpayer, for example, companies, trusts, and even salaried employees. Capital gains and bonuses can also be set off against the deduction. How do I take advantage of the incentive? Easy. Follow these simple steps. Fill out an application form and submit it to us at info@destinataholdings.com. The relevant forms can be downloaded from www.destinatacapital.com. Make payment of the investment sum as per the instructions on the application. Now the ball is in our court. We will issue you with a share certificate and a Section 12J certificate. You therefore become a shareholder in the company. When your accountant completes your assessment, a question will appear. Have you made any Section 12J investments during the year of assessment? On which he makes a tick in the yes box and fills in the amount. The deduction will be brought into account for your tax assessment. Remember, the 12J certificate provided will be your supporting document should SARS request proof, so it is important to keep it in a safe place. What differentiates Destinata Capital from most other VCCs? Destinata Capital is incorporated as a public company that issues prospectuses, allowing the investor to make an investment below the 1 million rand threshold, the minimum normally required by the Companies Act. This opens up investment opportunities for a larger investor base. Destinata Capital accepts investments as low as 100,000 rand. What does the VCC do with the funds? We invest in various qualifying companies with a focus on companies with strong assets on their balance sheets. The following permissible trades backed by real estate are high on our priority list: hotel keep, hospitality, student accommodation, healthcare, and elderly care, together with problem-solving businesses like security and renewable energy. We then earn dividends and capital growth from the companies invested in and pass that on to our investors through dividends and capital growth on their shares in Destinata Capital. We target a minimum 8% per annum dividend. What are the costs? The Section 12J fund will charge an annual management fee of 2% that will go towards the running of the company. The company will also share in 20% of dividends paid out. What is the downside? The investment needs to be held for 5 years. This only relates to the capital invested, and dividends are free to flow to the investor during this period. Dividend and capital gains tax will obviously be paid on the investment and growth. So there you have it, a brilliant way to save tax and stimulate our economy at the same time. It's that easy. Visit our website on www.destinatacapital.com. Email us at info@destinataholdings.com or call us at 021 851 3590. The contents hereof should not be construed as investment, tax, legal, accounting, and/or other advice. For advice on these matters, consult your preferred advisor. Destinata Capital is an authorized financial services provider and is a SARS-approved venture capital company. So what are you going to do? Do you want to invest? Would you want more info? Or would you like to visit our website?